Hi guys, welcome to Watch Tech. Today we will learn how we can make our computer or laptop faster. We can make their processing faster. There are some few tips and tricks which I would love to share. So let's start. So guys, the first tip is to disable the auto startup app. There are multiple apps which get started automatically when we open the laptop or computer. So what we need to do, we need to disable that app so that it will not take much processing time. So let's see how we can do that.
So guys, what you need to do, you need to press Control Alt and Delete key and go to the Task Manager. In Task Manager, you can see there are multiple tabs. You need to go to the fourth tab, Startup, and there you will see multiple apps or softwares there which are enabled and will get auto start up whenever you start your PC or computer. So you need to right click on that and disable the app. After that, all the apps which you will disable will not get auto started when your computer opens, and hence reduce the processing time.
So guys, the second tip is to stop syncing of OneDrive. What OneDrive does, it basically sync your system, gallery, videos, audios, and all the data to the cloud storage. So normal people like me do not require that in the laptop or PC because there are a lot of apps in our mobile phones where we sync the data. What we can do, we can unlink the cloud storage, the OneDrive storage. Let's see how we can do that so that it will definitely reduce the processing time of the system.
So guys, how we can stop syncing of OneDrive? You can search for OneDrive here in the search bar, or there will be a icon here like this. This is an icon. You need to right click on that and go to the settings. After you go to the settings, you need to go to accounts tab. In accounts tab, I haven't added any account, so that's why it is saying that add an account. You need to click on this, unlink this PC. After this, your OneDrive will not get automatically synced, and this will definitely improve your computer performance.
Third tip is to disable the visual or animation effects. Visual or animation effects are multiple in our laptop or computer due to which our system lags. So let's see how we can disable this. So guys, to disable the visual and animation effect, what you need to do, you need to go to the search bar and search for control panel. uh, you need to open the control panel. You need to go to the system and security settings. In system and security settings, there is an option of system settings. You can directly search for system setting as well. After that, go to advanced system settings. In advanced system settings, there is an option, there is a tab advanced. In advanced tab, you need to go to the settings here, settings of performance. After you go this settings, you can see that there is a custom radio button. You need to press the custom radio button and you can disable all these effects. After that, you need to click on apply and OK. After you do this, there are multiple animations and visual effects which will get disabled, and this will definitely improve the performance of your PC. So guys, the fourth tip is to disable the auto window update. In our system, the window updates automatically in a periodic time of like 7 days. So what we can do, we can disable that and we can manually update window like after 1 month, because it is also very important for the security purpose. So guys, let's see how we can disable the window updates and increase the process and decrease the processing time. To disable the auto update of the windows, what we can do, we can press windows key plus R. There will be run option which will get open. In this run option, you need to type services.msc, services.msc. After that, you need to click OK, and there will be a page. This page will get open. You need to go to the bottom of the page. You need to go to this option, window update. Right click on this option, go to the properties, and
there you can see the startup type. I have selected manual because whenever I want, I update my window. You can disable it or set up manual. Please don't set it to automatic, because if you set automatic, whenever there will be update, any patch update or any security update, the computer gets automatically updated, and at that time your system will get slow. So you can select manual, and within 15 days or 30 days you can update the window.
The fifth tip is that to disable the notification and actions. Basically, whatever brand of laptop or computer you have, like I have an HP laptop, so what they do, they periodically send notifications and actions which I don't require at all. So we can disable that notification and action tab actually takes lots of processing time in our system. So let's see how we can do that to increase the performance of the system.
To disable the notification and actions settings, you need to go to the search bar and type notification and action settings. Here you need to press open. After pressing open, this window will open. You can see that it is on here, so you need to select it off, and after that HP would not be able to send you the unwanted notification and assistance which you don't require, and this will definitely improve the performance.
So guys, sixth tip is to free up the storage space in our system. Basically, there are multiple files or softwares which we do not need in our system, and this will practically lead to the slowness of the computer or laptop. So what we can do, we can remove that from the storage system. Let's see how we can do that.
To update the storage setting, you need to go to this search bar and type storage settings, and you need to open this. After that, there will be an option. This you can see that storage can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need. So if you on this button, the temporary files and the content in recycle bins and all the unwanted files will automatically get deleted from the system automatically. So this by default, this option is off, so you need to turn it on to get the rid of unwanted files.
Tip here is to clean up the disk space. Basically, there is an inbuilt app within our laptop from which we can free up the disk space. Like if I want to clean up the C drive or a D drive or E drive, whatever I need to clean up, then we can use the clean up disk drive app. So let's see how we can do that.
To clean up the disk space, there is an inbuilt app disk cleanup in our system. You just need to go to the search bar and type disk cleanup. So this will come up. You need to open this, and you can see that you can clear up the whole drive. Like I have 3 drives maintained, C, F, and G. So if I press on app and click on OK, it will clear all the space within this drive, F drive. So you can do this if there are unwanted files and which is carrying the unwanted space. So you can definitely proceed with that option.
So guys, eighth tip here is to run an antivirus scan. If you have purchased any antivirus within the system, you can run the scan on a regular period so that unwanted malware and trojans can be found out and delete from the system. So you can run the antivirus scan, or you can download the free antivirus from the web, from the Google Chrome as well. So you can run periodically and you can clean up the system. This will surely increase the system performance. So guys, ninth and the last point is, after all the steps which I have told you, you feel that your system is still slow and it is taking a lot of time. Then the last step is you can do the factory reset. You can reset your computer, then it will become like a new computer itself. But before doing that, please keep that in mind to store your files in a separate hard disk or a pen drive, so that you will not face any issues later. You can reset your system. Let's see in how we can reset our system.
To reset the PC, you need to go to the search bar and type reset. This option will come and you need to open this. After opening this option, this is the first option where you need to press get started. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. So after resetting, all the files will get deleted and it will be like a new computer itself. So I suggest to back up all your data, all your movies, all your softwares, musics, and all the things before proceeding with this option.
So these are all the 9 points which we can do to troubleshoot our system and to make it fast. If you guys face any issues, you can definitely comment on this video, and I will happy to help. Or you can email me. I'll share my personal email ID as well. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching WatchTrack. Stay tuned for more videos.